Hi guys, in this video we will learn how to add Google chart in Laravel application. So in this example we will use the Google line chart you can see here. So let's get started with the example. So I already downloaded fresh Laravel application and you can see that I already set up the database over here and add some users like monthly wise January, February based on the creation date. So let's get started with the example. So let me go and create first controller. So I will say PHP artisan Mac and I will create the controller, user controller. Okay, and it's created. Now let me go into the routes. So I will create one route over here. So I will say cat and I will create users and then I will say user controller colon class and I will say index method. Okay, simply save it. Let me use the namespace over here. So I will say user controller, simply save it. Now let me go to the user controller and create index function. Okay, and simply return view. Okay, and I will say users, simply save it. And now let me go to the resource and blad. Here I will be create new file and call users.blad.php. Okay, simply, and I will use the bootstrap. So you can see that bootstrap cdn and add the like container with the card. Okay, simply I will say chart example. Okay, chart example, and here what I will do, simply go to the line chart. You can see that Google documentation. I will add this link to the description. You can see here I will simply copy the script. Okay, simply go and copy it. Okay, and paste it over here. Okay, simply go and paste, save it. Okay, and now if I go, I will use the dav as well, so save it. Okay, and save it. Okay, here I will be just add the length over here and I will say height also increase, save it. Okay, and now let me run the application. So I will say php artisan serve. Now let me go and call the users route. You can see that I got the Google chart. Okay, from the basic library. Okay, from what Google already given the example. Now we will get the users from the like table, like real data from the database monthly wise and display over here like January, February, March, and what is number of user register. So let me go here and add the queries. Okay, into the controller I will say users and I will use user model and I will say select, then I will say db colon row and I will use the mysql count function and as a count. Okay, and the next column I will be select db row and I will use month name. Okay, and I will get the month from the creation underscore created underscore column. Okay, and I will say month underscore name. Okay, then I will simply add the where condition. I just want to get only current year user, so I will use the current year and I will add condition with the created at column and I will get the dynamic date, so dynamic year, and then simply group by. I will be grouped by with the creation date. Okay, so simply row and I will use MySQL month function and it will be used created at. Okay, and then I will simply use the pluck method and I will use value as a count and then month name it will be the key. Okay, and then I will say to array and here I will be the display the users record. Okay, simply go and I will say users, save it, and let me use over here like user model and then I will use db as well. So I will say db, simply save it. Okay, and now let me go and simply refresh it. Okay, I got the error like group by cause and contains like there is error with the group by. So if you are using the MySQL, then you need to go to the configure database and there will be a strict rules true. So we just need to make it false. Simply save it. Okay, and hit refresh. You can see that I got the data like January there is a 2 user register, February 2, same thing, October has a 14 user register. Now what I will do, simply go to the blade file and you can see that here is the data like first will be the title and then one by one data. So same thing, I need to create one array over here. So I will create over here one array like chart data and I will define the heading. So I will say month and then I will say users, and then I will simply for each loop and users and simply chart data, and here I will be define first key and then I will say value. Okay, simply save it and display the chart data. Save it. Okay, now if I go and hit refresh, you can see that I got first like heading name, then I will January 2 data, same thing February 2 user register, same thing October has a 14 register. Now let me go here and pass this data to the blade file. Okay, so same thing, go here, compact, and I will say chart data, save it. Now go to the blade file and here I will be get that data. Okay, and I will say variable and I will say user data, and that will be a js colon from, and I will use the chart data variable over here. Okay, and simply console.log and I will say user data, save it. Okay, and now let me go and refresh, go to the inspect element console, you can see that I got the month users, y is the proper json array. Okay, now let me pass this data over here, let me remove this entire thing, simply pass it, save it. Okay, and if I go here and now you can see that like January, March, and proper chart of that, simply refresh. Okay, refresh again, you can see that here. Let me increase the width and all the things so it looks perfectly. So I will say p4 and I will increase the width 15 and refresh it. You can see that much more clear. You can see that January there is two data, March has a 1, and October has a 14. So I hope guys you understand how easily you can use the Google chart. You can use as well like pie chart and bar chart and all the things with easily. Okay, so I hope guys you understand this video, and if you like my video then subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching.